Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to set SIM card settings in Moto G Max. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.